Within a triangular and irregularly shaped expanse, a singular tree stands alongside an immense aspiration for heightened integration and a more responsible approach to our environmental milieu. The endeavor is to construct with enhanced cleanliness. A previous project, harboring identical aspirations, graced the same plot but underwent a distinct interpretation. The novel project strives to honor the gentle slope of the land, amplifying the view of the reforested region preceding the dwelling, while concurrently claiming the spotlight alongside the red Angico as the primary attraction on the terrain. The architectural program of the house unfolds across 4 intermediary levels, distinguished by a half-ceiling disparity. The ground floor, encompassing communal and recreational spaces, is suspended, leaving the terrain virtually untouched in its undulating topography. The garage and service area occupy the lowest tier to the right, while the social and recreational spaces reside above and to the left. Ascending further, the topmost level hosts the master suite and terrace, aligning with Angico's canopy height, offering a panoramic view of the forest canopy. A judicious selection of a mixed construction system, amalgamating metallic structures and glass with reinforced concrete and ceramic brick masonry, facilitated rationalized construction, cost equilibrium, and the creation of a luminous, glazed architecture with expansive open spaces in social domains. Metal beams and pillars support vast spans where essential, while areas necessitating compartmentalization, such as the bedroom and bathroom zones, opted for the pragmatic solution of masonry and conventional reinforced concrete structures. The residence ensures a constant visual connection with free spaces and trees from virtually every room. The aspiration for integration with the external environment becomes an almost obligatory dictate for prospective residents. Consequently, social and intimate areas facing the forest boast predominantly glass closures. The veranda, adorned with a Brazilian ipewood deck, seamlessly melds with the external realm, housing a pool with a spa-hydromassage on an elevated tier, serving as a quasi-access point to the pool and affording an exclusive view of the forest. Finally, a landscaped plaza with a bench takes root in the shade of Angico, providing an elevated vantage point to observe the entirety of the house, pool, and recreational expanse.